Are you here to learn about the metric system? Hi there, this is Big Spruce Rabbitry, and if you follow my channel much, you probably have heard that I'm going to be teaching a number of online science classes for homeschoolers over the month of February. And today I wanted to take you through what I think is probably the most important class that I'm going to be teaching. And it is called Metric System for the Junior Scientist. It is a class designed for 4th to 8th graders to give them a good intuition about how the metric system works and make them competitive in the modern era where science is basically almost entirely done with metric units. So let me take you through what comes in the metric system lab kit. There are a number of big concepts about measurement that we'll be tackling in this course, such as what the difference is between a linear distance versus a square area versus a volume. So let's take a look at what comes in the kit. The kit comes with a scale and a set of measurement weights. These weights are not the most accurate weights in the world, but they're good enough for at least getting a sense for how big a kilogram is or how big a gram is, and just kind of getting a hands-on feel for different weights. We'll be doing an experiment to understand how linear distance, area, and volume relate using rulers and basically building up a square to be able to see how each dimension affects measurement. The kit comes with 3 little bean bags and some target paper with a wet erase marker where the kids will be able to explore accuracy versus precision and be able to do a bunch of measurement experiments. We've got a measuring tape where kids can map the room in their house and the area around them. We'll be using a 100 milliliter cylinder to get a sense for how big a volume of 100 milliliters is and get to do a number of measurements of household supplies using this to just kind of get an eyeball sense of the metric system. Getting good at the metric system takes practice, so there are going to be a number of online practice problems to also do in addition to the kit, but the kit gives a way you can hands-on do stuff so you're not just doing a bunch of math problems in a boring old math book. So please sign up for Metric System. It is going to be an awesome class. And thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe.